Hey my people, so today I'm doing my BoxyCharm review for the month of July. It's not July, the month of August. This theme's box theme was Life of the Party, and they did like a little black thing. It's usually white. I like it. It's kind of cute. So this box, I couldn't wait to get this box. But you'll see how I feel about it in a second. Okay, so jump into the first product that came in this box. It's the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Palette, which I used to create this look today. The tutorial to this look would be going up. What's today? Going up Wednesday. So it's retails for $19. Sadly, mine came damaged, and I tried to fix the one shadow that came broken, and I made it even worse. But they're sending me a new one in next month's box, and so it's just. Can you see? It's just. So it comes with 6 shades. It's a party. The one that I kind of met. Oh, look at me. I'm so cute. Look at me. But it comes with, it's a party, damage control, karaoke, drinks, bottoms up, and the one I did not use yet is hungover. Hungover. And I think it's a very pretty palette. I love bright colors for eyeshadow. It's just like it makes me feel liberated, you know. Just makes me feel liberated. But has a nice array of colors. I would say you would need to pair this with other eyeshadow palettes. Well, not necessarily because I didn't, but I like a lot of color. So, and it comes with a mirror. What I have to say about this palette is, yes, it has very, very great pigment. As you can see, like it's very, very pigmented. I used the whole palette for this eye look, no other shadows. But I feel like the shadows are kind of dry. I really do. Like, and they blend. Rough. Yeah, they blend. Like when I first put down, I use what damage control right here. There's blue in the middle, and that blended out really nice in the crease. I thought I was having a little bit of trouble, but I think that's because my primer was just wet. But then when I went in to blend this orange color, it wasn't really appearing. And yeah, I know orange and blue are like opposite sides of the color wheel. So it made it look really, really weird. But I feel like it looked like it just dusted away the blue. Not sure if that actually happened because it kind of just went on top. But it didn't look good. So I went back in and just did the blue. And it was okay. So this one, no. Let me get back to this one. This one, girl. I put so much stuff on this eye to save this eye look, because up close it was not looking the tea. It was, I don't know if it's because I messed it up or if it's the formula, but it was going all like really like ugly. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. You would just have to see it. I did not like it at all. But like I said, all the shadows, pigment is great. The blue one, this one was going on patch. You know how sometimes you apply shadow and it's darker on one part and then the other part is just like, but where you at though? But you didn't want to show up for the party over there either. But you went to this party. That's how I was feeling. Like it came off really dark right here by these rhinestones. Over here, it wasn't showing up as dark, and that could be because of the cream I had down. But at the same time, that should not have happened. I don't have that problem with other shadows. This pink shade had a lot of fallout. It fell out all over my cheek. You can probably still see it like down in my inner corner right there because I couldn't get it off. And it was really pretty, but like I said, I feel like these shadows are good with pigment, but very dry. And she needs to work on her formula a little bit more. But I will say I love it. I'm not going to put it down too bad because I love the color arrangement. They worked out okay. Like I got a good look from them. That's how I feel about this palette. Oh, next. Oh, that's $19 if I didn't say. I'm going to put all the prices and stuff up here, like right there. And I'm going to link everything down below in the description box. So, the next thing is the House of Lashes. And these lashes say add length and dimension to your makeup look. So, I got the style Heartbreaker. I hate them. I hate these lashes. First off, these aren't the look of the lashes is not what I wanted for this makeup look today. And if you couldn't tell, they're kind of short. And like a normal Ardell strip, I don't have to trim. I just put it straight on my eye. This one is already really, really short. Like as you can see, it just ends right there. Like it doesn't go that far to the inner corner, and I don't like that. As well as that, well, I did like that it had a thin band. I love a thin band because they're always really easy to apply. But when I was just pulling them off the lash tray, a whole end of the lash, like the what are those called? The wefts of the hair. The whole thing just boop, it came straight off when I was just trying to pull it off the tray like a yeah, a whole weft of hair. That's what I'm gonna call it. And then when I was trying to pull the glue off that they stick onto the pan, so they keep the lashes secure. Why more wefts of the hair come off in the corner? So this one's even shorter than that one. And like I don't pull that hard because I know some lashes are really sensitive with that when you're pulling glue off and stuff like that and pulling them off the tray. So I'm really sensitive with that. But tell me why these lashes still ripped, and I don't like the style. They look really short, like width-wise. They don't give me too much boom. That could also because my eye looks are usually pretty extreme. I, I am not a fan. Like, I know a lot of YouTubers love House of Lashes. This is my first pair. Style Heartbreaker. And it's breaking my heart, and I'm not a fan. So, that was $9 to $12. So that's not a lot for lashes for like some of the lashes I have. But I'm not paying that for these lashes. I don't like these lashes. Next, I got the Smashbox assorted lip products. So I think everyone got something different, I'm pretty sure. So I'm going to use this in another makeup look because I did this makeup look with the L'Oreal Los Angeles palette and the lashes. And I got another look that I have planned out with this month's box as well. And I got this Smashbox lipstick. I think it's in the shade Rouge de Lavire. Red a book. Yes, that's what it says. Red, like red, the color. A book. That's what it says in French, I believe. I had to drop French, so don't take my word for it. But I never had a brown lipstick, and I want to say what I look like so bad in it. But I was like, if I buy it and don't like it, then I'm not going to want to return it again because I don't feel like doing all that when I could just use all the lip colors I know that work on me. But, so I got this brown color. It's like a mauve brown, and I think it's so cute. And it's swatched right here, the sticker swatch. And I can't wait to use it for this next makeup look. So, it feels really creamy and smooth. It smells really nice, and I like it a lot. So, you'll see how that one works when I come up with a tutorial on it on Wednesday. And that retails for $21 to $24, so I guess it's a price range. And then the next thing that came, we got 6 products in this box this month. I really like that. I love when we get 6 products. So next we have Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask from, what is this? Wandner Beauty. So I used them. Here they are. So I read the packaging on them. They smell kind of chemically, to be honest, I feel. But they're made of 3 different layers. I'm going to read this. It might take a minute. It's a lot of stuff here. So it says, visibly reduce dark circles. That's what they're for. I wore them while I did my makeup. So, the gold foil helps retain heat and prevents evaporation, allowing the maximum amount of serum to penetrate the skin. And I did kept them on while my brows were doing it. I kept them on while I did the top of my eyeshadow. So they were on for a long time. I will say they kind of started burning. They got really, really hot. And I was kind of confused what was happening at first. I was like, is the strength of the serum like burning like my eyes? No, it's just that the foil, like this says, keeps in heat, and it built up a lot of heat, I guess, underneath the pad, and it was kind of hot under there, girl. Like, it didn't hurt me at all or anything. Like, as you can see, I'm perfectly fine right now. But don't keep them on too long. Then it says, there's a lot of stuff here. Then, the middle layer is elastic, allowing the mask to adhere to the skin better. And I would say they went on and they stayed on. You know how sometimes we gotta keep fixing them and everything? No, I put them in place and they did not move. And I really like that. The next thing says, the third is a cellulose fiber that condenses and delivers key ingredient. That is what that says. Key ingredients efficiently, giving you all the skin loving benefits you need. Hyaluronic acid delivers intense hydration to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So I don't know if all that's true, but I like them. And you get 3 in the this month box. It also comes with aloe leaf extract, lavender oil, and it offers a cooling, soothing, calming. Is that what that says? And calming the eye area. So I say I like them. There's definitely not something I would buy all the time. They retail for $13, but I don't really wear eye masks when I do my makeup. Like it's every now and then, cause I just don't wear eye masks like that. Like if I got bags, then I got bags. Life is life. It's hard sometimes, and I don't mind showing that. So the next thing in this box is the Bang Beauty. Bang, bang, bang into the room. Okay, so this is $22. And it's the chocolate eyeliner, and this is what I'm gonna use with this lipstick, that Smashbox lipstick for that next tutorial. And I can't wait to do it. I got inspired by this look I saw, but it's the it comes in a little component like this, kind of like the Anastasia brow creams, kind of like that kind of pot, and it's a glass pot, and it's just this normal brown liner, and it seems really creamy and really smooth. I tapped it, and it's the second swatch over here. You see how close they are in color? It's gonna be a real nice tutorial, real nice. Monochrome brown look, is that a thing? Is that a thing? Monochrome brown look, or that's just a natural look? I don't know. We'll see. But that is $22, and I can't wait to use it because I love brown liner. I love brown liner because it just gives, like, black liner is really intense sometimes, and sometimes you need a liner, but you don't need something intense as a black. The brown just gives you, like, that really nice middle barrier, like it's there, but it's not like, boom, I'm here. You know, it's just like, it's real soft, like, I'm trying today. But I'm not trying to be all out there. Not today. So, the last thing that came in this month's box is the Adesse Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. See, when I first got this and I opened this box, I didn't read what this was. I usually never do. I kind of just look at the products and then I keep going on. But this is a cuticle oil. I put this all over my nails as a nail polish before I went to work. And then I touched my nails like maybe 15 minutes later, because it's taking polish a long time for me to dry on me. And I was like, wait. Because I was wondering why when I was painting it on, there was like holes getting in it. I had to keep going over it like 2 or 3 times. And then I was like, wait. This is a oil. But since I put it all over my nails, it's a cuticle oil. It says age-defying nail treatment essentials. I really liked it because I have really bad cuticles, to be honest, and I don't really trim them because like they just don't trim well. I feel it don't work out. It don't. But that was before I painted my nails too. But it just made my nails feel really smooth and look really hydrated. Even it was only on for like 10-15 minutes, like I said, but I actually saw a difference in my nails like within the next 3 days, as in like they were smoother. They were a lot more. I won't say clear looking, but they look better. They look healthier, and so I really like this. And this is okay. If it was like $13, yeah, I will buy it. $7, definitely. $3, no doubt. But this is $18. I know that's like $5 away from what I said I would buy it for $13. But no, I'm not buying this here. I'm not buying this for $18. I can't even have color on my nails with this if I just put this on. It's not going to do nothing but be clear and then wipe off later. So $18, not for me. So that is this month's box. Actually, let me see how much stuff this add up to. Let me see. I'm going to put the total up over there. So, for $21, you get 6 products, all full size. Maybe not the lipstick, though. And it's worth this here. BoxyCharm is worth it. On top of that, you get points. Every month you get a new box. And you can use up those points to redeem different stuff and purchase that on the BoxyCharm website. That's how I got this. I lost it, y'all. But that's how I got my O for Easy palette. And my O for blush is just by using up my points. So it's always a good thing to join BoxyCharm. Be one of the few that get this box. Not the few, but like one of the many. They get this lovely box for $21 a month. And all the lovely products in it. Like, you might not like them all, of course. I don't even like them all the time. But majority, I love it. And that's mostly how I grew my makeup collection. If you're trying to grow a makeup collection, that's a good place to start. Anyway, I'm Face by Trevi. If you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned for Wednesday's video, I believe. Something like that. Wednesday's video. And click my face right here to subscribe, because we're almost to what? 200 subscribers. And view some of my other little posts over here. They're pretty interesting. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.